Hi, this is Christina with WTI. Have you been looking to upgrade to a better computer mouse? Well, then you might just want to check out this Logitech wireless Bluetooth mouse. This mouse is great for so many reasons. I love though that it's Bluetooth and wireless. I work in different locations all day, so I need something that's so easy to bring along with me, easily throw into my laptop case or throw into a purse. And the size of this makes that so convenient. But I also love that it offers really nice scrolling. Not all mice are like that. Some of them are a little bit delayed when you're moving your hand around, and you'll notice it doesn't always match what's on the screen, but some of them kind of jump ahead too much too. But this one's just perfect and moves along with you, and that's something I'm obviously looking for in a mouse. But another great quality about it is the fact that it has these rubber sides that make it super soft on the side of your fingers that make contact with the mouse all day, especially when you're using something for a long period of time. I know that I'm usually looking for comfort, and this brings comfort. So that's a really great thing about this mouse. But I have to say, it's just a really cute mouse. I love the color of it. I love the design on it, and it comes in a ton of different options. So there's plenty of different designs to choose from. But overall, if you're just looking for a good quality mouse that's super portable, maybe you don't work in the same location all day and you, like me, need something convenient that you can bring with you at any moment, this is the mouse for you. I think you'd be so happy with your purchase, and you just love the convenience that it offers. But that's just my point of view.